Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. So today we will show you how to remove black spots, dark spots and acne scars on face. So let's start. First, take 2 tablespoons potatoes juice in a bowl. Potato has a high iron content which promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. Potato contains azelaic acid which acts as a natural skin brightening agent. Hence, eating potatoes speeds up the fading of scars, blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. Add 2 tablespoons tomato juice. Thanks to the large amount of antioxidants and vitamin C, one can use tomato for face whitening as they act as a natural bleaching agent. Applying tomato on face makes skin brighter and radiant while reducing pigmentation, dullness and dark spots. Add 1 tablespoon honey. As honey contains antioxidants, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties, along with moisturizing properties, it helps to deeply penetrate the skin, soften the skin layers and work to remove impurities from pores including dirt that causes blackheads. Mix well. Apply your skin. Keep it 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash with normal waters. Use it 3 to 4 times a week to get good results. Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. So today we will show you magical skin whitener pack. So let's start. First, take 3 tablespoons rice flour in a bowl. Rice flour for skin may be used as a rice face pack for skin whitening, eliminating suntan, removing the impurities on skin that causes pimples and acne, and evening out the skin tone. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Add some raw milk. The vitamins present in raw milk make this a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent that tones the skin thoroughly, leaving no room for impurities. Rich in vitamin A, raw milk is known for clearing pigmentation, scars caused due to acne, and dark spots when used judiciously as it is or in the form of a face mask. Mix well. Now apply it on your skin. Now leave it for dry. When it dry, then rub your skin gently and remove it. If your skin is sensitive, then don't rub your skin. Only direct wash with normal waters. Get the best result, do this 3 to 4 times in a week. Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. Today we will show you how to make the skin beautiful and radiant and at home. So let's start. First, take 1 tablespoon toothpaste in a bowl. Toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter acne. The consensus among dermatologists is that toothpaste is not an effective way to treat your skin, and can in fact damage your skin. The toothpaste can be an irritant that causes redness and peeling. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Salt helps to cleanse pores deeply, balance oil production and thwart bacteria that can instigate breakouts and acne. Add 1 tablespoon rose waters. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Mix well. Now rub it on your blackheads for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes. Then wash your skin. Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. Today we will show you how to make the skin beautiful and radiant and at home. So let's start. First, take 2 tablespoons Vaseline in bowl. Vaseline jelly creates a protective barrier that protects skin against environmental factors, such as windburn, and has been used for over 100 years to protect minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Many of Vaseline's dry skin lotions contain petroleum jelly, to give your skin the extra care it needs. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize skin. Regularly applying a small amount of aloe vera to the face can help treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and sunburn. Add some amount of rose waters. Mix well. Apply your skin. Keep it 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash with normal water. Use it 3 to 4 times a week to get good results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.